What is up, everybody? This is Brandon here at Frazzell Guitars. We are coming back at you with a new series. We are working on this Kentucky mandolin. So the back is here. So basically the back was coming off this thing. So this here is given for me to work on the channel. So we're going to be going through this together. They just wanted to give it to me to work on it for the channel, for content, and I told them I would work on it. That would be no kinds of problem if that's what they wanted me to do. So basically it's me taking a risk on working on this mandolin. So I typically do guitars, but I'm starting to branch out. You can see it's got the two braces here, and of course the carved back. But so I'll go through, clean everything up on this thing. The neck is going to have to be reset. Feels weird having a mandolin without the back on it, but it's a Kentucky. So we're hopefully going to turn this thing into a neat little player. Go through all that stuff, and hopefully that this little piece becomes a neat little thing. This is a solid spruce top by the looks of it from the back. It's got some cracks here. We're going to go through and clean those up. And y'all give my boy Michael, the cameraman, a shout out. I appreciate all his hard work. So it's got your two blocks here, your block here, your block there. And so I've gotten really good at guitars, you know, being a luthier, and he wanted me to see what I could do with a mandolin. So he gave me the challenge and said, hey, why don't I give you this? You do whatever you want with it, if you want to do it. Content out of it. So you get content, and he said, let's see if you can make this happen. So he gave me a challenge. I'm going to take that challenge, and you follow along and see if I can complete that challenge. So my first time taking apart a mandolin and going from there. So let's see if I'll reign the torch. I know definitely I'm going to have to fix those cracks here. I can press down on it some. So we'll just kind of go from there. What's up, everybody? So I've got different views from now. I'm just going to put a little glue in these cracks. Don't go all the way through. As I see right here, I don't see it going all the way through. That's a view of what the cracks look like. So what I'm going to do from here is I want to put some glue in these cracks, if they are, because I do feel a little bit of movement. I think this is just surface. This is a vintage. Got checking. This is a vintage Kentucky. So I have no idea what model this is. It's an A style. There was no tag. So we're gonna go and do that. All right. So if you guys can hear me, I don't know if putting a little glue is gonna do anything, but I'm just gonna try it. Just maybe something may help. You know, fish glue, I don't have any fish glue or stuff like that, so I'm just putting a little glue inside there, working it in. Just rubbing it in the crack. I've got my shop towel here. I'm gonna let it soak in. Actually, the glue's soaking in pretty good, as you see. So it's actually soaking down in there pretty well. So I may add a little bit more on there. I'm just trying to clean it up. Trying to soak that in, let that, I mean, that's soaking in pretty nice. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but the glue's kind of soaked in pretty good. There's different methods, various things, and I'll probably go through and fix the finish on that a little bit later. I don't know what caused that, but we'll go from there. So I'm gonna let that sit. Then I'll come back. This is going to be a elongated series, so this is not going to be like a fast. It's going to be an elongated series, so that's going to continue out with the other stuff that's going in here in the store. And we got a lot of projects working on right now. I'm going to be out of the office for 2 days due to family things and personal things. So I hate to be gone for 2 days, but I got to get things done, and I only have certain time to do it. So yeah, so that's soaked in pretty good in that area there, and then we'll come back with some stuff later, and we'll fill that up. So we'll see how good this focus is. So you see it got up in there and it's soaked in really well. So I'm extremely pleased with that. So we will, I don't know how long this episode's going to be, but it broke some of the kerfing off. So we're going to have to put new kerfing on there. So I think that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share all the above. And check us out on Facebook, Instagram. And as always, check out the Fret Job on Tuesdays, Frazzell Guitars exclusive musical podcast. Thank you. Alright, what is up, Frazzell family? Brandon here at Frazzell Guitars. I hope you can see me okay. So, update on the new series. We're starting the Kentucky Mandolin. So, some of you may argue that it's not worth it, the price point, but it is just for a project. It's just for some practice for me to, to work on some things. And a little fun thing for you all. I mean, typically, and I don't know the price, this is probably about a $250 to $300 mandolin. Maybe I'm wrong on the price. I can't find nothing on it. I know it's old, but it's just the principle. It's great content, and it's great. So yesterday I had to be out of the shop all day because I had dental work done. That's always fun. So, but I'm trying to take care of myself a little bit better and get some stuff taken care of there. I hate dental work. I hate anybody getting in my mouth. Just because of stuff as a kid, and I just hate anybody touching anything in my mouth. I just hate the fact of that. But I knew it had to be done, so therefore that's why I took it, or went and took it. But yeah, so that's an update on me. A little personal there, but so I'm going to be working on this mandolin over the next little bit. And we are going to go from there. So yeah.